guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we're going to discuss the BTC price action. However, before we start, as usual, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. We had a weekly close last night and the weekly time frame doesn't look good at this stage. However, if we're going to close below 42,000, ideally 41,500, this coming week, weekly time frame will enter under the consolidation. Moving on to a daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we covered the scenario of 0.618 if we're going to lose the 0.618, and as you can see last time with a huge diss dump, the 0.67 held to the dollar, and then the price action started spiking. And then we consolidated a bit between 50,000 and $45,000, $46,000, and with this huge bearish candle, the daily time frame went heavily under the bear's control again. However, the daily time frame, once we lost the $60,000 with this candle, daily time frame started going under the bear's control. And at the same time that I mentioned in the last video, if we're going to lose 618 at this time, highly likely we're going to come 6.7. That will give us an SFP that, as you can see, with a $15 difference, we took all these lows and then price start going towards the upside. However, in my opinion, without closing above 618, claiming this 618, it is very early for us to talk about something. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we've got solid resistance levels, 3 resistance levels above us, and then 2 more resistance, which is a higher time frame resistance, minor resistance that became, as soon as we broke with this candle, that became a minor resistance. And at the moment, we're having a support at around 36,000 all the way up to $39,000. If we're going to, as I said, going to reject from this line again, highly likely that we're going to take this support. However, the current condition of 4-hour time frame is heavily under the bear's control. In order to be bullish on the 4-hour time frame, we have to claim the first resistance box. As long as we're going to be above this $46,500, $47,000, highly likely then, as I said, this level of $50,000 won't be challenging. The levels that we need to watch is going to be around $54,000 all the way up to $56,000. So at the moment, in the last few videos that I'll keep mentioning, it is very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all, and during the course you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. If we're looking at where we came from, why did we short from $63,000? As you can see, once we lost the green line, as soon as we entered inside this green line, and that was a first indication that you need to watch this white line, which is smart money, at the same time this blue line. If you have a confluence and if you break this line, highly likely the price action will enter into a short bear market. And as you can see, we've been in this market under the bear's control on the 4-hour, 1-hour, 2-hour time frames over 55 days. Another thing that you can see, once we crossed the white line as well as the blue line, the green line rejected right from there, and we printed an SFP on the mid time frame. And then again, the price action started dumping all the way up to $39,500. From the early signal, $63,000, all the way up to, we had the target levels at around $48,000. That was 23%. However, without an exit signal on the 4-hour time frame, we didn't have an exit signal. With the current price action, we are seeing 35% dump in the market. So at the moment, as I said, without claiming $46,000 as a support, it is very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. If you're following me for some time, as soon as we held the $40,000 on the lower time frame, $41,000 and $40,000 entry signal. However, if you're a swing trader, as soon as we broke, as you can see again, this blue line plus the white line, which is a smart money, and as soon as you broke the last level of the green line, claimed as a support, and then price action started moving all the way up to the long weighted target, $68,000, $70,000. So from there, Once we entered under the swing trade without getting an exit signal, we pumped over 45% spot profit. If you're doing a leverage, that's 460%, 10 times, 5 times 230%. However, with the exit signal and you re-entered to the market again to shorting, one could have been up by 30+% profit. And as you can see, with an exit signal, you exited right from the $63,000. As soon as we broke, you had already above 33% profit. And again, if you're doing a leverage, you do the maths for yourself. Once you exited from the market with a 33% profit, without getting out from the system, you're already up by, again, another 35% profit. However, as I said, as long as we're going to be below this blue line as well as the white line, it is very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. What I'm going to see is confluence with this blue line and this white line and claim it as a support. Also, the last level is going to be claiming this green line as a support. Then, as I said, we can target $54,000 and $55,500. Otherwise, we will be under the bear's control and the levels that you need to watch, the support level, which I mentioned earlier on. The levels are clear, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.